And I want to ask the administration, the media is important for you to listen to this. We are witnessing a lot of lawlessness in Kisii County, particularly in Keroka, where some known criminals have gone and demolished the office of the area MCA, where the ward admin sits, and they have destroyed properties. For the criminals who were arrested by the public and presented before the police, later on, I'm told they were released. I want to urge our security operators, instead of you being busy arranging on how to raid my residence, to plant illegal weapons, kindly, can you deal with the insecurity which is on the rise in Kisii? Yesterday night, I'm told there are people again kill a young man in Kenya, whereas the criminals who were arrested with the blood-stained motorbikes, these people were released yesterday night. We want to send a strong warning. If the police, they're not going to protect the lives of our people, protect properties, we will ask the common mwananchi to protect himself against any form of criminal activities in the county. Before we do that, I want to urge the security operators, starting with the senior most, kindly do what the law requires of you. Kindly protect the lives of the people. Protect properties, both private and the government. Even if you were to hate me, I still remains the governor of Kisii.